All right, today we're gonna be talking about basic sparring. When we talk about basic sparring, we're gonna keep it very, very basic. We're gonna really talk about three kinds of strategies to use when you're going ahead and sparring. The first one that we're gonna call is a PDA, Progressive Direct Attack. That's what it stands for, PDA, Progressive Direct Attack. And it's pretty much what it sounds like. You're going on in with just a direct hit towards a target. So if I'm gonna go ahead and hit the face, I'm just gonna take a direct point right on the face, and that's where I'm aiming for, and that's what I'm hitting at. So if I bring Mark in here, the basic shot is right here. If I'm going for a punch right here, this is my shot. This is my PDA, Progressive Direct Attack. If I'm going for that thigh kick right there, that's a progressive direct attack right there. Thank you very much. So when we go ahead and we spar on that round, we wanna make sure that we throw some PDAs in there. But the next one we're gonna go ahead and cover is ABC, attack by combination. So now what we're doing is we're taking two direct hit attacks right there, and we're just kind of comboing them together. Once again, it's exactly what it sounds like because we're keeping it basic. If we bring Mark out here again, I can go ahead and I can hit up high and then also hit low. If I want to do a jab cross, I can do that. If I want to hit high and then hit low, there's no really specialty about it. I'm just choosing my targets and I'm hitting them directly. If I want to do a double up here, I can double up, but that's two direct attacks right there, but we're still using them in combination. We can go high, low, we can go right, left, we can mix things around. Last one that we're gonna throw on in here is a PIA, or Progressive Indirect Attack. Now, Progressive Indirect Attack, obviously, you can see the difference between the PDA and the PIA. Instead of being a direct, we're going indirect. This is a fake, and I'm not sure that I know of any kind of professional fighter, any really fighter who knows what they're doing and does not work fakes in their games somehow, some way. So if I bring Mark out here, here is the recipe for a fake. We want to go ahead, if I'm going to go ahead and let's say fake high and then land a shot low, I want to take half of the first movement and then brutally interrupt it with the full second movement right there. Because if I go ahead and let's say I do a shot here and a shot here, what is that? Well, that is our ABC, that's attack by combination. This is a PIA, or Progressive Indirect Attack. So once again, if I'm going here for the fake, I'm only doing half the movement right here. I'm pulling up short and then I'm following it right here. We have to ask ourselves, why are we doing fakes? Why are we doing PIAs? Well, for this simple fact right here, it creates an opening. You'll notice that when we do PDAs, it is going to be very easy for Mark to go ahead and defend against those, especially if I'm throwing them too much. If I'm aiming, let's say, for the thigh right here, it's just a matter of time till all of a sudden he starts covering those. So what I can do is I can go ahead and I can fake that and then end up firing a full movement for another target right there. This creates an opening. PIA, Progressive Indirect Attack, creates an opening, and that's what we do. So when we're sparring around, we want to make sure that we have enough variety between these three elements right here. Progressive Direct Attack, attack by combination, and then last but not least, Progressive Indirect Attack. This is just a direct attack to wherever the target is. This is attacking either the same or different targets, but by using multiple moves. And then last but not least, this is still multiple moves, but now we're just using half of the first movement, brutally interrupting it by the full second movement, and that's what's creating our fake right there, which in essence, or the outcome, is to create that opening. So as we go ahead and we do that, mix all these into your sparring, and then once again, we'd love for you to go ahead and like and subscribe, and then obviously, if you guys want more information about any of our programs, check out the description. Thanks so much.